Water parks aren't just for summer, especially in Wisconsin. Today, we're escaping the winter cold at Chula Vista Resort in the Wisconsin Dells, where 80,000 square feet of warm, tropical fun awaits.
Ready for some fun?
If you're looking for a full resort tour, a look at the indoor water park, and tips for planning a winter getaway, well, you're in the right place. So come along as we dive into the winter fun at the Chula Vista Resort on this Lovenesters adventure. The Chula Vista Resort is located about 7 minutes from the heart of the Wisconsin Dells. This is a place where you really can unpack and stay for the week. With golf courses, ziplining, and outdoor water parks, it is a full-service resort. If your plan is to use the indoor water park during your stay, be sure and check the resort website, which I've linked in this video description, for the days and hours that the indoor park is open. They do vary. Regardless of if you're staying in a villa, a condo, or a traditional hotel room, your registration area is at the far right side of the property. It's clearly marked registration. It's a bittersweet color building. It's not where the condos are.
If you haven't been to the Chula Vista in a while, I'll tell you one thing, they really seem to upgraded, as so many of these Wisconsin resorts have done, continue to attract people from all over the world.
So this hotel does allow early check-in. However, you can't come until noon, but then you can start using the water park if your room is not ready. So highly recommend bringing a dry bag so you're ready to go with your suits and towels and enjoy the water park before your room is ready. All right, don't lose this. This is your fun for the day. Getting to the water park is actually underground, thankfully, so we don't have to go outside, but be prepared, it's a bit of a walk. So believe it or not, this is all an underground tunnel getting us to the water park. You wouldn't guess it at all. There's plenty of light down here. It's not a dark, dingy place, but it is a bit of a walk, so be sure that you bring water shoes. Lockers are available, along with towel service and rental options for both resort guests and day pass visitors. Now, there are plenty of chairs and tables available at no extra cost. But if you're planning to ride the more extreme attractions, we recommend heading to the back right-hand side of the park for easier access to those rides.
We're here in the dead of winter. It's minus 5 degrees outside, but in the Chula Vista water park, it's perfect temperature. Nice and warm.
Oh my gosh, that slide really gets your adrenaline going. Whoa. It's called the Matador, and you need a mat to do it.
Whoa. Hey, thumbs up on the python. But as always, double tie. That's what we always say, double tie.
The Flyin' Mayan was one of the first water coasters in the Wisconsin Dells. Now, to ride this, you must be at least 42 inches tall. It does look like this is not operating today, which is something to keep in mind at large water parks. Occasionally, not every ride will be running all the time.
Welcome to the jungle. The jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, this is crazy. Are you okay?
Oh, that was awful.
Thumbs up.
Okay, I survived the jungle. That was horrifying. It's in the dark. It's a dark toilet bowl type ride. I think I screamed the entire time.
Hey, the great thing about these water parks is number one, you have fun. You act like a kid, which is great. Number two, you get an exercise. Scary? Okay, we are at the Chula Vista, about to do the Emerald Falls. According to the lifeguards, this is a scary one, right? What? Emerald Falls. Thumbs up from the Lovenesters. Okay, good?
Yeah. Okay. They said this was the slower one. I don't know. Oh gosh, and it's gonna start out dark. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, I like this part. Oh, okay, that was cool. Oh, I'm so glad I did this one. Oh. Ah. Okay, that one was good. Big thumbs up.
So Chula Vista is not the largest water park in Wisconsin Dells, but if you have younger kids or old people like me, it's a good fit. A couple rides that might be considered moderately scary, but a lot of fun for the whole family. Okay, we got a brave soul here. Good. There she goes. Oh.
So those slides were really fun. Some water parks would say I'm too old for them. This one did not. You don't need a mat and they're a very fast ride. So they have a fairly large, lazy river here. They call it an adventure river. It does get a little bit of wave action, but there is no wave pool. How am I going to get on this without hurting myself? I don't think this is going to go well.
Just jump.
If you're enjoying this video, we would sure appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And if you're looking for weekly hobby and adventure ideas, well, we invite you to subscribe to Lovenesters. It won't cost you a thing, and you'll get lots of ideas to connect with the ones that you hold dear. Now this park is laid out with all the activities for the littles up in front. There you'll find 2 small slides, water canyons, and mini dump buckets. Also up front you'll find their version of a lily pad walk and a pool with basketball hoops. In the center is Mount Montezuma's Mayan temple, and this is where you'll find the giant dump bucket, body slides, and a play and spray structure. Nearby is where you will find the hot tub, centrally located for parents that just need a break. If you need a quick snack or drink, well, Crash Landings is conveniently connected to the park. Looking for a break from the water? Well, check out Pesos Aplenty. This is a resort's arcade, which offers a wide variety of games and plenty of prize redemption options. We've just received a text that our room is ready, so let's go check that out and we'll continue our tour of the rest of the resort. Okay, well, this is home sweet home. Wow, this is your standard hotel room with 2 queen beds, but they've got the little divider. You actually could sleep more with a pull-out couch. The Wisconsin Dells theming continues in here. The room does come with a microwave and a decent-sized fridge. Of course, there's a nice big TV. And then there's a shower in here. Connected to all of the conference and banquet rooms, you will find your traditional hotel rooms, plenty of those to choose from. There are condos and other suites available in a different part on the property. So many meeting rooms and conference rooms here at the Chula Vista. Great place to hold an event. The artwork here is fun. It's decorated with all kinds of old Wisconsin Dells photographs. So fun fact, before it was Wisconsin Dells, it was Kilbourne City. Right, so they have a nice big gift shop here. So if you forgot something, they do have swimwear here, flip-flops, anything that you might need in their gift shop. So one of the things this place is known for is their spa. These are the kinds of services that they have: massage, skincare, nail care, hair removal. There's more services that are available on the website. So they do have kind of a convenience area here where you can pick up some food, fresh Wisconsin cheese, some fresh products, all kinds of choices.
This is the great thing about Chula Vista. You're right here, able to see the natural beauty of Wisconsin Dells right here. So not only do you have the wonderful convenience of the hotel and the water park, but you got this beautiful view.
They do have the Kilbourne City Grill on property that's available for lunch and dinner.
The Kilbourne City Special. Loaded fries. Have they been drinking? A huge thank you to Sky for recommending the loaded fries, and they are loaded. And they are fantastic. Thank you, Sky. Chula Vista in Wisconsin Dells, a great resort to visit any time of year.
It truly is the best of both worlds. You have the natural splendor of Wisconsin Dells right in your backyard, and then some great water attractions right on the property.
And there's some great food choices here as well, and the service was fantastic. And the pizza, we had pizza tonight. It was very, very good.
We really enjoyed our time here. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.